Red wine has long held a reputation as a symbol of sophistication and indulgence, but beyond its cultural allure, it has attracted significant scientific attention for its potential effects on health and longevity. Central to this discussion is resveratrol, a polyphenolic compound found in the skin of grapes, which has been associated with a variety of beneficial physiological effects. While some have dismissed the idea of red wine as a longevity booster as mere myth, research increasingly points to measurable, science-backed mechanisms by which moderate red wine consumption can support cardiovascular health, metabolic function, and cellular resilience. This makes the debate not just about pleasure or habit, but about how small, consistent dietary choices can influence long-term health outcomes. One of the most extensively studied benefits of resveratrol relates to cardiovascular protection. Resveratrol has been shown to promote endothelial function, improving the ability of blood vessels to dilate and contract properly. This helps maintain smooth blood flow, reduces arterial stiffness, and supports optimal blood pressure regulation. In addition, resveratrol exhibits antioxidant properties, neutralizing free radicals that would otherwise damage blood vessels and trigger inflammatory processes linked to heart disease. Studies suggest that even moderate red wine consumption can increase levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, the good cholesterol, while helping to prevent the oxidation of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, which is critical because oxidized LDL is particularly harmful to arterial walls. Over time, these effects contribute to reduced plaque buildup, lower risk of atherosclerosis, and a more resilient cardiovascular system. Beyond the heart, resveratrol appears to exert effects at the cellular level that are directly relevant to aging. It activates pathways associated with longevity, such as sirtuins, a class of proteins involved in cellular repair, energy metabolism, and stress resistance. By influencing these pathways, resveratrol helps cells respond more efficiently to stress, repair DNA damage, and maintain mitochondrial function. Mitochondria, often called the powerhouses of the cell, are central to energy production and metabolic efficiency, and their decline is closely linked to age-related degeneration. Regular, moderate exposure to resveratrol appears to enhance mitochondrial resilience, supporting overall cellular vitality. This contributes not only to longevity in a purely numerical sense, but also to improved quality of life, maintaining energy levels, cognitive function, and metabolic balance as we age. Inflammation is another major factor in aging and chronic disease, and resveratrol offers protective effects here as well. A chronic, low-grade inflammation contributes to cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome, neurodegeneration, and other age-related conditions. Resveratrol helps modulate inflammatory signaling pathways, reducing the production of pro-inflammatory molecules and creating a calmer internal environment. This anti-inflammatory effect complements its antioxidant action, meaning that resveratrol tackles both the sources of cellular stress and the cascade of damage that can follow. For individuals concerned about healthy aging, this dual mechanism makes red wine, in moderation, a potentially effective strategy for supporting systemic resilience. Importantly, the positive effects of red wine extend beyond isolated biochemical pathways. Moderate consumption is often associated with lifestyle and social factors that themselves promote longevity, such as shared meals, reduced stress, and adherence to a Mediterranean-style diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains. These synergistic behaviors amplify the physiological benefits of resveratrol, making red wine a practical and enjoyable component of an overall health-conscious lifestyle. Studies consistently show that moderate intake, typically 1 glass per day for women and up to 2 glasses per day for men, provides measurable benefits, while excessive consumption negates these advantages and introduces significant health risks. The key is balance, and when integrated thoughtfully, red wine can be both a source of enjoyment and a contributor to health. Resveratrol also exhibits neuroprotective properties, supporting cognitive function and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. It helps protect neurons from oxidative stress, maintains synaptic plasticity, and modulates pathways involved in memory and learning. This adds another layer to its longevity-promoting effects, suggesting that moderate red wine consumption may support not just lifespan but health span, the period of life spent with vitality, cognitive clarity, and independence. The broader benefits of red wine extend to metabolic health as well. Resveratrol has been associated with improved insulin sensitivity and better glucose regulation, supporting energy balance and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Additionally, it may positively influence fat metabolism, further contributing to cardiovascular and metabolic resilience. These effects underscore the idea that red wine is not simply a cultural indulgence, but a food-derived intervention that interacts with multiple systems in the body to promote long-term wellness. While resveratrol supplements exist, research suggests that the combination of compounds found naturally in red wine, including flavonoids, polyphenol, and trace minerals, produces synergistic effects that enhance its impact on health. This means that enjoying a small glass of high-quality red wine, within the context of a balanced diet and active lifestyle, may offer benefits that isolated compounds alone cannot replicate. The ritual of moderate wine consumption, combined with nutrient-rich meals and social engagement, creates an environment in which both mind and body thrive. In conclusion, moderate red wine consumption offers more than indulgence. It provides measurable, science-supported benefits for cardiovascular health, cellular repair, metabolic regulation, and cognitive resilience. Resveratrol plays a central role in these effects, supporting longevity pathways, enhancing antioxidant defenses, and calming chronic inflammation. When consumed thoughtfully as part of a health-conscious lifestyle, red wine can contribute to both lifespan and health span, promoting energy, mental clarity, and resilience, while complementing other longevity-promoting behaviors. Far from being a mere myth, the protective and restorative potential of red wine is grounded in evidence, making it one of the few everyday pleasures that can genuinely support long-term health and vitality.